Hey everyone, welcome to the Flow dashboard created by GeniiEdu. And we created this incredible dashboard right here. In the previous video, we went over the fear and greed index, quite a kind of short summary of what it is. And now we're going to go over the daily market tide. Now, the daily market tide, it gives you a live chart mainly showing you the cumulative premium of Bitcoin and ETH option trades and the Bitcoin price for the last 24 hours. So if you look here, the light blue line is the Bitcoin price, and then the green line is a call premium, which is a bullish sentiment, and then the red line is put premium, which is a more bearish sentiment. If both lines are close to each other, then the bullish and bearish sentiment is roughly equivalent, which is kind of what we're seeing here. This gives us a time frame on the last 24 hours, so we're seeing now a more equivalent as far as bear and bullish trend currently. If you see right here, we're almost seeing them centered right here. And then if you see downward trending, the red line, then we're in a more bearish sentiment, which we could be moving more into that right now. And then if you see the green line trending up, we're in a more bullish sentiment. So this gives you a great idea of where the smart money in particular is moving. We definitely recommend you check this out for better understanding of what potentially could be happening in the marketplace. So the number one thing to keep in mind is where is the call premium headed and where the put premium is headed. This is all real-time data, and you'll be getting by millisecond a refresh of what's happening with the call and put premium options. So we hope that helps on daily market time. It gives you quite an understanding of what exactly you'll be getting out of this tool, or this insight tool rather. So I hope you guys enjoy what you got. Utilize the daily market tide to its fullest and optimal way. Thank you guys.